How to turn off political content on Instagram. This tutorial shows you how to stop Instagram from suggesting political content on your Android device. First, open the Instagram app on your Android device. After that, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right of the screen. From there, tap the three horizontal lines at the top right corner to open your settings. At this point, tap on Preferences to open your content preferences. In the next step, tap on Political Content to open the political content settings. Following this, you'll see a toggle for Suggest Political Content on the screen. Finally, tap the toggle to turn it off, and Instagram will stop suggesting political content across your feed, Reels, and Explore page. And that's it. If this Instagram guide helped you turn off political content, give it a like, subscribe for more Instagram tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.